And if you like the warmer weather, then you're going to like next week because the warmer weather is sticking around. Living near the coast, we always think about hurricanes that may affect our everyday lives, but what we don't think about are earthquakes. Down to the south, we do have more showers and thunderstorms moving into western Georgetown County. This will progress to the south and east as well, and eventually will make its way to the coast. That will likely intensify over the coming days. Forecast to become a major hurricane as we head into the middle of next week. I do have my handheld anemometer, and I am still seeing those readings above 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The rain move out, but the cloud cover will be sticking around. So another chilly one in store for us today, and quite dreary out as well. Liquefaction is when the ground changes from a solid to a liquid. Living by the coast, the water is very close to the surface. So any shaking from an earthquake brings that water up to the surface, and the ground becomes much more like quicksand. Monday morning to you, still seeing a few showers across the area, mainly for the Grand Strand. That's where the heaviest of the showers are occurring right now. Back across the PD, light to moderate rainfall occurring there. All this lifting to the north and east. Here's a closer look at those showers over toward the Grand Strand. Strong winds in these storms, winds gusting near 40 miles per hour. Very heavy rain from North Myrtle Beach on up through Little River, and that will continue to lift to the north and east over the next half hour to 45 minutes. And then we'll still see some lingering showers as we go through the rest of the morning, but by the afternoon we will start to see things clear out and see a little more sunshine today. We'll track the rainfall with Futurecast as we head towards 7 o'clock in the morning. All the heavy rain should be off the coast, just a few scattered light showers around the area. Then we dry things out again by the afternoon. More sunshine out, then skies clear out tonight, and we'll see plenty of that sunshine going into your Tuesday and Wednesday, but much cooler air will be moving in tonight. Overnight lows tonight down into the middle and upper 30s. It's been quite windy overnight, winds gusting up to 41 miles per hour for the Grand Strand, and right now most of the wind is down by the beaches where winds are still out of the west at about 20 miles per hour. Back across the PD, breezy with winds out of the west at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at the latest wind gust up to 32 miles per hour North Myrtle Beach, we just updated again, 25 miles per hour in Myrtle Beach now, and 18 in Georgetown. So again, quite breezy out there, and it's going to stay that way as you go throughout the day. The strongest of the winds now along the coast, but once those heavier showers move out, we'll start to see winds mainly out of the west at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, and then those will start to calm down tonight, and expect less wind around for your Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperature-wise, very mild out there. We're starting to see the temperatures fall a little bit across the PD now, down into the mid-50s there. 54 in Hartsville, 57 in Darlington. Still in the 60s for the Grand Strand, though. 61 in Myrtle Beach and 63 degrees right now in North Myrtle Beach. We may see those dip down into the upper 50s before warming back up again into the mid-60s by the afternoon. The cooler air, though, will move in tonight. This is a wider look at the temperatures around the region, and while we're in the 50s and low 60s, the temperatures back to the west are only in the upper 30s to low 40s. So this cooler air will be moving in, and that will bring in the changes in temperatures as we go through tonight and the next couple of days. For this afternoon, though, not bad. Breezy and mild with a high of 64 for the beach with partly sunny skies. Inland will top out in the mid-60s too with partly sunny skies as well. Then mostly clear tonight, 41 for the low for the Grand Strand. Then highs only in the low to mid-50s on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll warm it up to 58 on Thursday. Then more showers and cooler air moves in as we head toward the end of the week and into the weekend. Here's your 7-day forecast. Inland, 64 the high today, down to 37 degrees tonight, and then chilly for the next couple of days with a high of 55 degrees. Overnight lows below the freezing mark tomorrow night, down to 30, and then right at the freezing mark Wednesday night, down to 32 degrees. We'll briefly warm up on Thursday before the next system moves in and brings us chilly weather and also more rain as we go into Friday and into Saturday. So the threat for severe weather is over. Still seeing those lingering showers, but that will be moving out after we get through the morning.
And it is very, very windy out there.
Yes, and it's staying breezy all day. Two disturbances. Obviously, this the stronger of the two. This is Tropical Storm Bill that continues to get better organized. And here's what's left of Ana. No longer a tropical storm, now a tropical depression with winds down to 35 miles per hour. We'll go ahead and track Ana first. As of 5 o'clock, winds sustained at 35 miles per hour, moving west at 23 miles per hour, so it has picked up some speed. It'll likely continue on this westerly track, could briefly intensify as it heads toward Hispaniola, and then if it does stay intact, we'll continue on that westerly track heading toward the Gulf of Mexico. Not going to be a threat for us at all. Elsewhere in the Atlantic, again, we do have Tropical Storm Bill that we're keeping a close eye on. Stronger today, winds now sustained at 65 miles per hour. That will likely intensify over the coming days. Forecast to become a major hurricane as we head into the middle of next week. It should stay mainly on a west-northwesterly track as we head toward the end of the week. By Friday, starting to take a more northwesterly turn. And looks like right now the models are coming into better and better agreement that this will be the scenario and turn this on out to sea, so that won't be affecting the East Coast. Again, it is a long ways away, so we'll have to keep a close eye on it. But this is what it's looking like. High pressure is generally what controls the direction of the movement of these systems as they do travel through the tropics. And right now, very strong high pressure will continue to direct this system to the west. But as you take a look further east, as we head toward the end of next week, a cold front will be moving across the eastern half of the nation. And what this will do will weaken this area of high pressure, and that will likely allow the system to turn on out to sea without impacting the United States. That's what it's looking like right now. It could change. We'll keep a close eye on it as we head through next week. And we have all those updates for you at CarolinaLive.com. Welcome back. We continue to see showers and even thunderstorms around the area right now, mainly affecting the PD. The Grand Strand dry for now, but eventually you will see some showers and even a few thunderstorms over the next couple of hours. We'll go ahead and track these showers. They're moving to the north and east, and where you see the reds and the yellows, those are the heavier showers and thunderstorms, and they are moving very quickly. And as they move through over the next 30 to 45 minutes, they could drop off anywhere from an inch to a half an inch to an inch of rain in 30 minutes to an hour. So very heavy rainfall there could cause some ponding on the roads. You can see those showers occurring north of Lumberton now and north of the border belt. Then scattered light rain to the south here of I-95 in Florence and Marion County. And then as we travel farther south, you can see that we do have heavier showers and thunderstorms in western Georgetown County, now west of Highway 701, heading toward Georgetown. And so this will be approaching the Grand Strand here over the next 45 minutes to an hour, and will continue to move to the north and east. So everyone will see a little bit of the rain, the showers, and the thunderstorms here over the next couple of hours, but nothing severe. Temperature-wise, still mild out there. Temps are in the upper 50s and low 60s for the Grand Strand, and in the upper 50s and low 60s back across the PD. A little bit cooler in Hartsville, down to 55 degrees there. Overnight lows tonight down into the low to mid-50s, so cool out there. Again, we'll be watching those scattered showers and thunderstorms. The heaviest of those showers and storms are moving through right now. That will really start to taper off over the next few hours. And then we're drying things out really for the weekend. An upper level low pressure system, though, is still back to our west. It was cut off from the jet stream, so it has been really slow to move, and it has kept our weather unsettled for the past several days. You can see the main band of showers and thunderstorms over us right now, but with this still in our general area, it will keep the weather unsettled, so there will be a small chance for an isolated shower or storm on Saturday, and it will keep the clouds around for your Sunday. But again, once we get through the next couple of hours, we're done with most of the rainfall for this area. So here's a look at that with Futurecast as we head toward midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning. Showers and thunderstorms likely for our area. That moves out quickly by tomorrow morning. More sunshine around. Breezy though, and then nice and mild as we go into the afternoon with highs in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. Again, a small chance for a shower or storm in the afternoon. We'll stay dry though Saturday night. Then no issues as we go into your Sunday, but we will see more clouds again on Sunday. Partly sunny, breezy, and cooler on Sunday too. Highs on Sunday only topping out right around 60 degrees for the Grand Strand and the low 60s for the PD. So we'll be cooling off and that cooler weather sticks around. So here's your forecast for your Saturday morning. Mostly sunny, warming quickly. We'll be in the middle and upper 50s by 8 o'clock. Heading into the afternoon for the Grand Strand, highs near 70 degrees with a small chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. A bit breezy, winds out of the southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Breezy inland too with a chance for a shower or storm, highs near 70. Here's your 7-day forecast for the Grand Strand. Dry as we head through next week and cooler with highs in the low 60s. Overnight lows down into the low to mid 40s, so chilly in the evenings. And your 7-day forecast inland 70 tomorrow, and then topping out in the low to mid 60s as we go through next week. A little bit warmer away from the cooler ocean waters there, but certainly drying things out as we go into next week and cooling things off too. Overnight lows down into the low 40s. Rain move out, but the cloud cover will be sticking around. So another chilly one in store for us today and quite dreary out as well.